Hey everyone, thank you guys all so much for checking back on my channel. My last video was the 100 subscriber seed giveaway contest announcement, I guess. So this video is going to be where I'm going to be choosing the winners. So make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I might just pick your name. Now, like my last video, I still have the same 4 peppers that we're going to be giving away. And we're going to be kind of going through this one by one, starting out with the Chiltepin pepper. Now, I have everybody's name that commented on that last video in here. This is basically just like a random chooser. And so what we're going to do, for the Chiltepin pepper, we're going to hit randomize. And Rice04 is the winner of the Chiltepin pepper. Now, if I do pick your name, make sure to check your messages on YouTube because shortly after this video is posted, I'm going to be sending you a message about you winning. So that way I can get your shipping information and I can send you seeds. Now, moving on to the habanero. Again, we're going to hit the randomize button. And Yalen M is the winner of the habanero seeds. Again, make sure to check your messages because I'm going to be sending you that message to get your shipping information. Now moving on to the Apache pepper. This one is one of my favorites. It's super productive, super cool plant. We're going to hit that randomize button again. And looks like C. Lemensky is the winner of the Apache pepper. So C. Lemensky, check your messages. And finally, the one that I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for is the Death Spiral. This is the hottest pepper by far of any of the ones I'm giving away here. It's a lot hotter than the Ghost Pepper. So we're going to hit the randomize button one last time. And Dylan Ekholm is the winner of the Death Spiral pepper. So again, if you guys won, make sure to check your messages so I can get your shipping information so I can send you the seeds. I'm going to be doing another one of these giveaways, probably at 1,000 subscribers. So share this with your friends, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.